Infrastructure in Bruce County is evolving with traffic demands and regional growth. The county took advantage of key market opportunities in 2021 to complete much-needed infrastructure enhancements around the region.
Bruce County's Transportation and Environmental Services Department oversees a road network of 690 kilometers and 148 bridges under its jurisdiction. We maintain a safe transportation system and provide consistent service levels to connect local urban, industrial, commercial, residential, and recreational communities.
Bruce Road 25 Phase 3 construction south of Port Elgin converts the rural road cross-section to urban road standards, installs new storm and sanitary sewers, and adds an asphalt trail to the beach for locals and tourists. Repairs on Blackwell Bridge on Bruce Road 23 north of Kincardine focused on concrete patching, drainage improvements, waterproofing, and deck resurfacing. Reid Bridge on Bruce Road 6 west of Teeswater and Steffler Bridge on Bruce Road 12 north of Belmore were fully replaced to help meet local and agricultural traffic needs. New culverts were added on Bruce Road 8 east of Sauble Beach, and storm cleanup took place on Bruce Road 13 north of Southampton. Bruce County also completed micro-surfacing on Bruce Roads 2, 9, 19, 29, and West Road, surface rehabilitation and culvert replacement on Bruce Road 3 north of Dunkeld, and paving and new two-way turn markings on Bruce Road 4 east of Walkerton. Construction projects like these help extend road life and will provide huge benefits for residents and county businesses. Learn more about county roads and infrastructure at brucecounty.on.ca.